In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a workflow in Intercom. First, open Intercom and log into your workspace. From the main menu, head to the Fin AI agent area and open workflows. This is where you'll build automated conversations and handoffs that keep support moving without manual effort. To start a new one, click New Workflow. Intercom lets you begin from scratch or use a template. Starting from scratch is great when you know exactly what you want to build. Templates are helpful if you'd like a pre-built structure you can tailor to your use case. Choose the option that fits your goal. Next, choose the trigger, which is simply what starts the workflow. You can have it run when a new conversation starts, when a message is received in an existing thread, or when an internal event occurs inside Intercom. Pick the condition that best matches when you want the automation to fire, then click Create to open the builder. You'll land in the visual canvas where you assemble the flow step by step. Click Add step to choose the actions your workflow should take. Send message is perfect for immediate automated replies or confirmations. Ask question helps you collect key details from the customer, like account type or issue category, so the follow-up can be more precise. Assign team routes the conversation to the right group, ensuring specialized teams see relevant threads as soon as possible. Tag conversation adds a label for tracking and reporting, which is useful for later analysis. Close chat ends the conversation cleanly when the goal is met or when no further action is required. Add as many steps as you need in a logical order so the customer experience feels smooth and intentional. When your draft looks right, click Preview to see how it behaves. Use Test in Messenger to step through the flow like a real user and confirm each action triggers as expected. Check that messages read clearly. Questions collect the right information, and routing happens to the intended team. If everything works the way you want, click Save. When you're ready to make it available to real users, click Set Live or Publish to activate it. Your workflow is now live and will run automatically based on the trigger you selected. That's it. Log in, create, test, and publish a workflow that supports your customers around the clock.